Modern art, a term so broad, so diverse, it's almost like trying to catch smoke. One painting may leave you mesmerized, another might leave you scratching your head. But isn't that the beauty of it? Isn't that why we keep coming back to art, time and again? Welcome, fellow art enthusiasts, to a journey through the fascinating world of modern art. You know, when we hear modern art, we often picture abstract splashes of color and unconventional designs, right? But there's so much more to it. It's a rebellion, a revolution, and a reflection of changing times. Let's unfold this rich tapestry together. Modern art began around the 1860s, when artists started to challenge the traditional, idealized representations of the world. They wanted to capture life as they saw it, felt it. The term encompasses a variety of styles, from Impressionism to Cubism, Surrealism to Abstract Expressionism, and many more. Let's start with the Impressionists. Artists like Monet, Renoir, and Degas wanted to capture the fleeting moments of life. They ditched the studio for the great outdoors, striving to depict light and color in a way that was unprecedented. Fast forward a few decades, and we find ourselves in the era of Cubism. Spearheaded by artists like Picasso and Braque, Cubism presented subjects from multiple angles, all at once, shattering the conventions of perspective. And then we have the Surrealists, who took us on a deep dive into the human subconscious. Think Salvador Dali's melting clocks or René Magritte's men in bowler hats. This was art that didn't just challenge your vision, but your understanding of reality. Modern art isn't just about splashes of color or strange forms. It's about pushing boundaries, challenging norms, and reflecting the spirit of an era. It's about seeing the world not just for what it is, but for what it could be. So, the next time you stand in front of a modern art piece, remember, you're not just looking at colors and shapes, but an artist's view of the world, their thoughts, their feelings, and their bold vision for the future. Remember, art isn't a puzzle to be solved, but an adventure to be experienced. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the dynamic world of modern art. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and most importantly, keep seeing the world through the artist's eye.